This video tutorial I will explain nextBytes method of random class which accept bytes array. Here I have defined the class random demo. Here I have created random object. Then I have created byte array object. Initially it contains all zeros. Then I am calling nextBytes method of random object and passing the byte array. This method fills this byte array with random bytes. Here you can see. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.